This is Sims Life Stories 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is Cherry, and I am going to give you the results for the Webkinz raffle, and here we go. The person who gets the dragster in third place will be oopsie, we had 18 entries. Third place goes to Tinky Play. Congratulations, Suze Orman Rocks. And your dragster will be on the way. Congratulations to Tinky Play in third place. Yay, Suze Orman Rocks! You won third place. Congratulations. Okay, second place goes to Webkinz Fan 210, Puffy Poodle 92. Congratulations, Webkinz Fan 210. You have won the leopard couch and the disco ball. And the moment we've all been waiting for, first place goes to Anne Rock's Spotted Frog. Starry Star, congratulations, Starry Star. You have won the Webkinz Countdown, the Webkinz Superbed, and the Webkinz Jukebox. Congratulations to our winners, and I'm sorry if you didn't win, but guess what? We're going to have another Webkinz raffle coming up pretty soon. Okay, bye. Congratulations to our winners. And the prizes will be sent out really soon. And I hope you're all my friends. Okay. Webkinz Fan 210 needs to be my friend, so I'll add her to my friends list and then I can send you your prize. Okay, bye.